I'm Dr. Sarah at Revive Chiropractic Centers of Hamburg, and today we're talking about car accidents. So you've been involved in a car accident and you don't know what to do, you're confused, where do you go, what do you need to do to get the help that you need. So it's essential that you get checked out by a medical professional within the first 3 days of your accident, even if you don't think you've been seriously injured, or even if you're not experiencing any pain yet. So many injuries are not visible, but they can cause long-term problems. Some injuries include whiplash or soft tissue injuries. Chiropractic is the right choice, the best choice for soft tissue and musculoskeletal injuries. We focus on reducing the pain symptoms naturally by adjusting the alignment to allow optimal function and optimal healing. That's the way you heal, is optimally. If you have removed the subluxations, if your body is allowed to heal optimally, that's our main goal. So we focus on reducing those pain symptoms, and then we will find the cause of your pain or complaints and treat it at the very source. So we use a combination of hands-on adjusting techniques combined with multiple different therapies to fix your issues at the root, rather than covering them up with toxic medications. We don't want to cover up the symptoms. The symptoms are actually a good thing. Symptoms tell you that there is a problem. Symptoms tell you, hey, don't do anything. Pain is a great symptom. It says, hey, don't do anything to make this problem any worse. And it tells you, hey, I need some treatment. I need to get this taken care of. So when you do come into the office, a complete examination will be performed and radiographs or x-rays will be taken if medically necessary. A personalized treatment plan will then be developed to help you meet your individual goals and to help allow you to get back to everything that you were doing before your accident. But for immediate relief, ice is the best thing following an accident. 20 minutes is recommended to allow for complete cooling of the skin and the muscles. It will create a reduction in pain and swelling. So you're going to go through 4 different stages. The first stage is it will feel cold, and then it will burn, and then it will ache. And finally, the last stage is it will finally go numb. So if you can make it through those first 3 stages, cold, burn, ache, finally then it will be numb. And once it's numb, it will create the full benefit of the ice or the cryotherapy. Also, make sure that you are aware that symptoms can take a couple of days to a couple of weeks to develop following a car accident. And just because you don't feel any immediate pain, it does not mean that you are not injured. So once the adrenaline has worn off, your muscles might become more stiff and you might become more sore. That's why it's vitally important to get checked out as soon as possible. Again, I'm Dr. Sarah at Revive Chiropractic Centers of Hamburg. If you enjoyed this video, if you found any value to it, please like it and share it. If you have any questions, post them at the bottom here. Thanks.